Electricity. We use it every single day. But we can't see it. We can't touch it. Yet, this invisible power runs our entire world. In this video, you will learn electricity. From zero to hero. Small blue diamond. So, what is electricity? Simply put, electricity is the movement of electric charges. These charges are called electrons. Everything around us is made of atoms. And inside every atom, electrons exist. Normally, electrons stay in place. But when energy is applied, for example from a battery or a power source, electrons begin to move. This organized movement creates electric current. Electric current means how many electrons are moving. Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. The more water flows, the stronger the current. Electric current is measured in amperes. What makes electrons move? The answer is voltage. Voltage is electrical pressure. Just like water pressure pushes water, voltage pushes electrons. Voltage is measured in volts. Resistance is what slows electricity down. Some materials, like copper, allow electricity to pass easily. Other materials resist the flow. Resistance is measured in ohms. Electricity is built on three main concepts: voltage, the pressure; current, the flow; resistance, the opposition. Everything in electricity starts here. Direct current, or DC, flows in one direction only. Batteries, power banks, and mobile phones use DC electricity. Alternating current, or AC, constantly changes direction. This is the electricity used in homes. AC is more efficient for long-distance transmission. To control electricity, we use electronic components. These small parts make modern technology possible. A resistor controls electric current. It protects circuits and prevents damage to components. A capacitor stores electrical energy. It releases energy quickly when needed. Capacitors are used in almost every electronic device. A diode allows electricity to flow in only one direction. It acts like a one-way valve. And LED is a light-emitting diode. When electricity flows correctly, it produces light efficiently. Electricity is generated in power plants. Turbines spin generators using water, steam, wind, or fuel. Electricity is transmitted at very high voltage. This reduces energy loss over long distances. Transformers reduce voltage to safe levels. This makes electricity usable in homes. Electricity enters our homes through power lines. It reaches outlets, lights, and everyday devices. Electricity can be dangerous if used incorrectly. Circuit breakers, grounding, and safety devices protect us. Understanding electricity is the key to safety. Now you understand electricity. From zero to hero. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more lessons.